Hey guys and gals, welcome to Sweet Project Cars with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. We are doing our last video on 2K Clear Coat, Glamour Coat, and the reason that we're doing this video here, you got to see the last two videos we did in the last 2 weeks. They'll be in the description. All you got to do is look for them, and you just click show more, go there, blah blah blah, and you'll find them. But we are going to clear coat these door panels, and the reason I'm going to do it on my van is because they get dirty and they're hard to clean and they get streaked. If I do any kind of conditioner on them, what happens is a little bit of rain gets on them and they look all streaky and nasty. I don't know if you can see that right there, all these streaks. So we're going to clear coat these, and I think you're going to be impressed with how well they look. They're going to be so easy to clean, it's going to be mind-blowing. So keep your eyes peeled. Here we go. All right, so I took the door panel off, and the driver's side, the passenger side's next. All right, we want to give a huge shout out to Tim Rhodes for donating to our channel, one of the largest donations we've ever received. And Tim, we just thank you so much for that. It helps us immensely. Folks, if you feel like clicking that thanks button up there and donating a few bucks, that would truly help us. All right, on this, you don't need anything else. You don't need any prep spray. You don't need any of that stuff. Because all you have to do is use the old 99. Clear coat is way different that we're using. It's professional. It's the same stuff that they use on automobile car finishes right from the factory. Now the key here is the quality of it. Okay, paint doesn't bond like clear coat does. Clear coat is meant to bond like nobody's business. Wait till you see what this looks like afterwards and how easy it's going to be to clean up. And I'm actually going to ceramic coat them afterwards, so I never really have to worry about scratches or any of that stuff. I'm looking for ease of cleaning. They're going to look beautiful. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is clean it up with Old 99. Old 99 and the best spray bottles known to man. Now on the heavy areas, heavy wear areas like up here, we might use some prep spray just for that. But you don't need it because the clear coat is not paint. Again, it bonds like nobody's business. That's the thing behind clear coat, is its bonding capabilities. And the main reason we're doing this is, of course, ease of cleaning again. If you spill coffee on it, it'll wipe right off. If it gets dusty, you wipe it off. You can ceramic coat this as well. It'll be like those clear coated wood grain dashes in a Mercedes. Only a Chevy. And again, this is not your normal clear coat. This is professional grade clear coat, 2K clear. All right, here we go. This is a two-part clear, 2K clear. We'll let it dry and we'll do one more coat on it. Very simple to do, and it's going to clean up so easily.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.